Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Lexus HS250h. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential gear such as gloves and eye protection. Make sure both the disabled Lexus and the assisting vehicle are completely turned off and in park or neutral with the parking brakes engaged. Then, locate the 12-volt battery in your Lexus HS250h, which is typically found in the trunk under a cover. This preparation ensures a safe and effective jumpstart process. Now, let's connect the jumper cables correctly. First, attach one red positive clamp to the positive terminal of your Lexus's dead 12-volt battery. Then, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's battery. Next, attach one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery. Finally, connect the other black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Lexus's engine block, away from moving parts. With the cables securely connected, it's time to start your Lexus. Begin by starting the assisting vehicle and letting it run for about 5 minutes to charge your battery slightly. After this, attempt to start your Lexus HS250h. If it doesn't start immediately, wait a few minutes and try again. Once your Lexus starts, carefully remove the jumper cables in the reverse order of how you connected them, starting with the negative clamps. After a successful jump start, it's crucial to drive your Lexus HS250h for at least 20 minutes. This allows the alternator to fully recharge the 12-volt battery. If your car doesn't start again after turning it off, it's a good idea to have the battery and charging system professionally checked for any underlying issues. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.